Good afternoon, everybody. I want to talk to you about harvesting not catnip. I did that. Spearmint. So anyway, I have this whole bed of spearmint, if you can see. And 2 or 3 years ago, I made the mistake of planting a pot of spearmint and a pot of peppermint in this bed. And I did not know that it would spread. So, do not make my mistake. You need to put your mint in pots unless you want a whole bed of mint. So, since I do drink a lot of spearmint and peppermint tea, and I have mostly spearmint, I do have a little bit of peppermint in here. And it's really hard to tell the difference. The lighting is so bright right now. I'm not sure if you can see. Let's see. I'm having trouble seeing. Get in the sun. I wanted to show you. I'm trying not to make you go every which way. The leaves of the peppermint is smaller. And then the spearmint is bigger. And they have a slightly different smell. And that's hard to explain because they both have a menthol smell. Let's see if I can get one together. See how, let's see, spearmint is a whole lot bigger than my peppermint leaves. They're a little small. But for the most part, I have spearmint in this bed. It kind of took over my peppermint. And I try to pick out my peppermint, but it's kind of hard to do that. I kind of have to do it when I'm harvesting it. So that's going to be hard to explain to you. It's kind of something I have learned by trial and error. So anyway, when I'm harvesting, when you're doing mints, and make sure you put them in a pot unless you want a whole bed like I do. You need to harvest your herbs. And after dew has dried and it's really hot right now, it's too hot and I'm a little out of breath, but that's why I get these really big baskets. They're really great for harvesting herbs when you have a lot. And I'm going to try to show you, since I have a whole bed of it, and it's not going to hurt it. I stomp all over it. It comes back. So, anyway, and there goes my phone again. I don't know why it's stopping and starting the picture. It'll go fast and normal, and then it'll stop for a little bit. But anyway, like I said, thank Mother Earth. Thank you, Mother Earth, for your gift. Pick off a leaf and let it go to the ground. And it's kind of like you do the catnip. And I try not to let it hit the ground. And then now, the mints I cut way back because I've already harvested this once. And it's August. And I try, on my mints in the bed, I cut them long so I can tie them up. So I make sure, and my video's messing up again. But I cut them all the way back. I leave some to grow back up, but I cut them so I can lay them in my basket and tie them up like you would see a picture, tie them upside down to dry in a place where the sun is not going over. So, like in a nice dry place in your house. I have a screened-in porch that I use. I do dry them in baskets. But anyway, that's what I do. When I have it here in the garden and they're big and tall, I cut them back a lot. But now when they're in pots, I just snip them off at the top when I want to have tea. So it depends on what you have, what you need to do. So I hope that this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe and share it with a friend. Thank you.